Hello everyone, and welcome to Global Marketing. This is where we talk about the world of digital marketing in a simple, practical way. If you want to grow your business or start earning through freelancing, this channel is for you. In every video, you'll get real knowledge, tools, and strategies that actually work. So, what exactly is digital marketing? It's a strategy where we use online platforms like Google, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and websites to reach people with our message. The major parts of digital marketing include social media marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, email marketing, paid ads, PPC, content marketing. And the best part is, you can learn all of this from home and start earning money, whether you're a freelancer or a business owner. So, if you want to learn how to find clients, create effective ads, or rank your website with SEO, make sure to subscribe to this channel. We release new videos, case studies, and step-by-step guides every week. Subscribe now, press the bell icon, and let us know in the comments which topic you'd like to see a video on first. You've been watching Global Marketing, where knowledge meets results.